Yes, this is Mrs. Hines here for your November 2nd through 6th weekly update. So I hope you had a really happy and safe Halloween on Saturday. If you're able to make it to Nick Park, perhaps you got some of my vinyl. I dropped off 400 stickers. So if you're able to get one of these, I hope you enjoy. They're permanent. So whatever you stick them on, they'll stay there forever. So hopefully you had a nice time on Saturday. This week, our goal is CAD, computer aided drawing. That's what CAD stands for. So we're going to make a CAD page on your tech portfolio. Remember, that's how you're displaying what you learned in this class. So if you go into your Google Drive and you open up your tech portfolio, we're going to add a page for CAD. And we're going to focus on your dream space. What kind of room would you like to work in? So we're going to show some math for that, including calculating out the perimeter and the area. And then we're also going to talk about 3D CAD. So your flooring plan is going to be a two-dimensional drawing. It's flat. It has an X and Y. You can calculate dimensions this way. But you can also see the 3D rendering. So that gives you the Z axis. And we're going to start to talk about 3D printing. So we're going to explore, if you had a 3D printer, what would you make with it? So on Monday's class, which is today, you're going to go on to a floorplanner.com. You can sign up for an account that's free, that's a student account using your Google account. And then it'll save your designs in your project space. We're going to make a dream room. Your dream room must have the following things. It has to have a door to get inside. It should have a window. You can add more than one window. You should have a bed to sleep in, a dresser to store your clothes in, and a space to learn in. Okay, we're all learning from home. If you can make that part of your dream room space, think big. Think this room is bigger than what you currently have. It's your dream space. So you may also think that in your dream room, perhaps you have a bathroom. That could be a half bath, meaning that in your bedroom, you would have a separate space for a toilet and sink. Or you could have a full extra bathroom in your bedroom, in your dream space bedroom, which would include a shower or a tub. These are going to be saved on Floor Planner. So for Monday's class, you're going to go on, you're going to watch the video, and you're going to see how to design your dream space on floorplanner.com. Tuesday, you're going to open up Floor Planner again and continue to work on that dream space. You may have thought about it over the night. You may have chatted with friends during the Google Meet. You may want to add more things, but you want to make sure that you're also editing your flooring, your wall colors. You really want to make it your own. It should really reflect a space that you would want to live in and work in. So remember, it's like you're having those bare bones basics, but also start to add some furniture, start to add some accessories, and save often. Okay, this is saved on floorplanner.com. So on Wednesday's class, you're going to open up your floor plan, which should be pretty much complete, right? And we're going to calculate some math formulas. You're going to figure out the perimeter. So depending on what shape your flooring is, you're going to add up all the different sides, and that's your perimeter in feet. You're also going to calculate area. So the formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width. But chances are your floor plan might not just be a simple rectangle. So you might have to find multiple areas and add them together. This will be all published on your portfolio. Okay, so on Tuesday, you published your floor plans, and on Wednesday, you're going to publish these two math formulas for perimeter and for area. On Thursday, you're going to open up that same dream home floor plan on floorplanner.com, and you're going to grab a screen image of the 3D version. So kind of like we did when we used Google Maps, you're able to look at a 3D. So if you're actually there, giving you the depth, that Z axis. So we'll start to talk a little bit more about 3D CAD, and that's what we'll dive into on Friday. So if we were in school, you would have access to a 3D printer. We'll also talk about local maker spaces like the Center of Gravity in Troy, where you would have access to a 3D printer. So if you're interested in CAD and you want to design smaller items, Friday is going to be your day for that. So we're going to start to discuss it, and you're going to write a persuasive essay as to what you would make with a 3D printer. All right, guys, so that's going to pretty much be our week this week. We're going to be working in thefloorplanner.com. We're going to be making your dream room. We're going to be outfitting it with not only just the bare bones studs and doors and all that good stuff, but also accessorizing it. So it really reflects part of your space. Hopefully, you'll get used to reading dimensions or measurements that are written in feet and inches, and just recognizing some basic symbols and being able to look at a technical drawing, a two-dimensional technical drawing of a floor plan. So it's pretty exciting. Your CAD page on your portfolio will end up with having your 2D floor plan, your mathematical formulas for perimeter and area all calculated out, as well as a screenshot of your 3D space. So CAD is something that you can use. It's computer aided drawing. It's another way to communicate. It's a great way when just words and numbers aren't enough. Sometimes the drawing is what does the trick. So I'm really excited for this week, guys. I'm excited for you to publish your portfolios with the CAD page, and happy November. So good luck.